Okay guys, just want to go ahead and show you really quick the Deebot 950. This is the instruction manual that it comes with, and it tells you everything that you need to know about this particular model. This model is a vacuum as well as a mop. So if you happen to have hardwood floors and you are wanting to go ahead and vacuum, you can actually mop at the exact same time. This worked really well for our house when we first purchased it. However, we have placed lots of carpets in our home on our hardwood floors, and so our house isn't that big, so it doesn't really work very well for us anymore. However, I still use the vacuum part. This is the Deebot, and it does have your scan code. You can actually connect it Wi-Fi to and Bluetooth to your phone, Wi-Fi to your phone, and Bluetooth to your phone. Make sure I say that correctly. In order for you to be able to actually see where it has cleaned and what it's doing. So this is it's dirty. I know, we use it. This is the actual mop part. So you would fill up your water and solution here, close it up, and then this plate is actually Velcro. This is the one that you can actually wash, and then it comes with a set of disposable ones right here. As you can tell, we've never even actually used them. So, still brand new in the package. These are some extra accessories that it came with. So, some extra brushes for the bottom of the Deebot, as well as some extra filters and the actual little plate that is on the bottom of this Deebot. So let me show you what that looks like. So this is the Deebot itself. On the inside, you will see your cleaning compartment. This is where all the dust gets, the dirt and dust gets collected. And then there's this little brush that you can actually take off to be able to clean and cut all of the hair off of your wheels and that sort of thing. So I'm going to leave this out because I'm going to need it. This you lift up and you remove, and you can see all the dirt there. Now this is only like a room and a half in my house. I don't have that dirty of a house, but this little guy really sucks up a lot. There is a button on this side where this will actually pop open, and when it pops open, you're able to dump it. Additionally, you can actually pop this off and shake this out and wash it, as well as that little, you can see that little filter that's right there. I don't want to take off because it's going to have a lot of dust on it. But that little filter right there, which is actually going to be this guy right here, as well as this little filter. So you can actually wash those out. So anyway, I'm going to put this back in there so it just kind of slides in, and then this little handle lays down in order to lock it into place. And I'm going to flip it over so you guys can see the underside real quick. Okay, so this is the underside. These are your two brushes. Remember I was telling you I was going to need it because it's got all that hair on it? Yeah, I've got really long hair, and so these tend to go ahead and actually catch my hair in it. This is that piece that I was telling you, which is this one right here. These two pieces actually pull off. And so if this ever breaks, or if the little pieces of the metal or whatever get bent, you can replace it. And then this piece will actually pop out. You can vacuum carpet with this, so you can see we've got a couple of carpet pieces or something there, and basically what you're going to do when you use this tool is you're going to run it across, and it will actually cut that for you to be able to actually pull it off. So I'm going to pull this out, and I can go ahead and actually pull this off, so it makes it really easy to be able to clean. Ours got caught in a rug that was in the bathroom because it's not supposed to go in the bathroom. One of the things that you can do with this, I have not set it up correctly just yet because I had reset my whole floor plan, was that you can actually put barriers around certain areas. So let's say when you have an area behind your couch and it has a bunch of cords and that sort of thing, and you want to go ahead and actually put a barrier on that area, you can, which is really nice because it won't go back there and get caught. So this piece here actually just goes ahead and it slides on.
Mapping plate has been installed.
It goes ahead and it just kind of clicks into place, and it's actually there, and it'll tell you, hey, you've installed your mopping plate. So anyway, and as it's sweeping here and picking up and sucking up all the dirt, it'll mop at the exact same time behind it. Not the best mopping. It's not going to be like mopping like you or I, but it does a decent job if you're just wanting it to go ahead and do it, you know, as it's doing its thing. So anyway, again, there's an app on your phone. You can zone it to where you wanting to. So if you're just wanting to go ahead and sweep the living room, you can tell it just sweep the living room. If you're wanting it to sweep the bedroom and the living room, or the bedrooms only, you can actually do that. So just wanted to go ahead and show this to you. Again, ours is dirty, and we have had ours for going on 5 years, and I have not had any problems with it. On the sites, you can actually order extra parts if you're needing it, and I haven't had to order parts just yet. So anyway, the Deebot 950.